जय श्रीमन्नारायण 285th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम। ओम भानवे नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that the sun who has 1,000 rayed brightness takes effulgence from you and shines. That much of effulgence you have, O Srimannarayana. I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Guha is now giving all the details to Bharata about Rama and Lakshmana, saying that, "Oh Bharata, Lakshmana was telling me all these things, saying that, oh Guha, if my father dies, only Bharata and Shatrughna are available to do final rites to my father. How fortune Bharata and Shatrughna to do that, Guha. Oh Guha, my Ayodhya kingdom is beautiful kingdom. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya has wonderful, beautiful, such a wide roads. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya has beautiful buildings and beautiful divine temples. Those who have enough fortune, only they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya is always decorated and always there will be so many elephants, chariots and horses will be going here and there. Such wonderful Ayodhya. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya is always sacred, always auspicious. Everywhere we get to hear Mangalavadya's auspicious sounds. All over the places there will be beautiful parks. Such great Ayodhya. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya, Guha. O Guha, there always will be some kind of celebrations, divine celebrations, always will be going on and people will be enjoying such great Ayodhya. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, I don't know when are we going to finish our 14-year-long forest stay, 14-year-long Vanavasam. O Guha, do you think that we will be again going back to Ayodhya safely after 14 years? Like this, O Bharata, Lakshmana was so much going through so much grief and sharing me all of his grief. Like that we spent that night while talking to each other. O Bharata, now next day morning, early in the morning, Rama and Lakshmana got jata karayitva jata vubhe. They got their hair matted right on this banks of Asmin Bhagirathi Tire, on this sacred Ganga river. They got their hair matted and then After that I am the one who helped them sukham santaritau maya, helped them cross this Ganga river. O Bharata, after they got their hair matted, you know how they are looking, drumachira vasasau, they also tied that naravastras, and Mahaballau, such a great strong bodies, Rama and Lakshmana, Kunjara Yudha Popamau, they are looking like a wonderful, such a gigantic elephants. O Bharata, Pareshu Chapanidharau Parantapau, after Rama and Lakshmana, they take their dhanurbanas, they take their bow and arrows and swords. When they started holding them, you can't believe, even if any enemy gets to see them like that, enemies would be just burnt out into ashes. To that extent, Rama Lakshmana was outpouring their effulgence, their tejas. Oh Bharata, like that, Rama and Lakshmana, Sitamma, I helped them cross this Ganga river, and they went away from this Ganga river. Like this, Guha sharing all that what happened with Rama, Lakshmana, Sitamma to Bharata. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 31st sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Amrutam Sudbhavo Bhanuhu Sasabinduhu Sureswaraha Aushadham Jagatassetuhu Satyadharma Parakramaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha.